In this video, you'll learn how to create a high-converting product page using GemPages V7 editor. There are two ways to start. Pick a ready-made template from the GemPages library. Or you can start from a blank page by picking the option Start from Scratch. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process to build a product page from scratch. Start by heading to the GemPages V7 editor. Click Add Sections in the blank page to start, or click directly on the Section tab. Choose Product Detail, select the template you want, and drag-drop it to the page. Give your page a name by clicking More Options button, and then Rename Page. Name your page as you wish. If this video is helpful for you, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and press the notification bell to stay tuned. By default, this template includes a product module linked to one of your products. This module contains the following dynamic elements: product image, product title, product price, product quantity, and add to cart button. All product elements are dynamically connected to the product assigned via the URL. That means you'll see the same data as set in your Shopify admin. To view or add more dynamic elements, head to the sidebar. You can add more elements to inform and convert your customers. In this example, we'll add the stock counter element to create urgency. We'll also try adding the delivery date element to reduce buyer anxiety, build trust, and reassure their decision. Below the product section, we'll add a related products element for cross-selling. Please ensure relevant collections are set up in Shopify for this element to work. Once you finish, click Save, Publish, and Preview. And that's it. Follow the tutorial and try creating a high-converting product page today with GemPages. Thanks for watching.